Hi, I'm Angela Martin and welcome to number 10 Williamson Drive in Kuranda. Williamson Drive is Dress Circle and there are literally $1 million homes within walking distance from here. So that makes this super cute 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on around about 1 acre phenomenal value for money. And because it's elevated and it's benched into the side of the hill, it is 100% private and opportunity for a beautiful view. So before we go in and have a look, if you want to see, I get a heads up on more fabulous little lifestyle properties like this one, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's go in up that beautiful long private driveway up to the top. You're going to fall in love with it. And welcome, come on into your gorgeous little bit of paradise and of course an oasis. And you'll have noticed as we came up the top of the driveway, obviously double carport, a little reversing spot for your car and a gorgeous little fire pit where you can burn wood and sit and have a relaxation spot if you want to. Not that there's not enough relaxation spots. Now, I love this red colour. It is just it's warm, it's vibrant, and it just says welcome into the house. But before we go in and have a little bit of an explore, just sort of garden-wise orientation, this is Williamson Drive. This is all dog fenced around about the house, so nice and safe. And this is where we're going to be able to get that spectacular view if we want to. And of course, little surprises behind us, but we won't actually have a look at that at the moment. So let's go in and have a look through the house. Come on in. The red, which, come over this way, which is my #1 favourite colour in the whole wide world, is clearly an element that runs through the whole house with a beautiful, beautiful red kitchen. So we're just going to have a bit of a quick wander through. Orientation, very straightforward. We've got a bedroom, excuse me, and that goes out onto, of course, we've got a big balcony that runs the length of the house. So we've got bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. We've got a bathroom here with a separate toilet. And then as we go through into the outside, there's a laundry. And super bright and super exciting, we have actually got a second bathroom as we go out there. And it's pretty much over in that far corner. So we'll have a quick look at that when we do the outside. But check this out. This also has, you see how clean that is? Can you see in there? This is beautiful. Great functionality behind this workbench. Often workbenches have just got a couple of legs on them, but you can put all your pots and your pans, plenty of space, plenty of cupboards, and of course we've got gas cooking. You'll have seen the gas bottles on the outside. And electric oven, so all your needs are covered. Central living area, plenty of space. You probably put your telly there, but this is pretty new. Huge, great big air conditioner that if all your doors are open, you could actually cool the place down really quite comfortably if you wanted to. But of course, it's all fully screened and we have got these doors that open and close onto the balcony area. So just have a bit of a quick look in here. This would be the master. we've got hanging up space, and anyone who lives in the wet tropics knows that having airflow and of course bright light is just brilliant. Opening up into the view of the forest, if you like, in the morning. And then we have this bedroom here. Second bedroom, again, plenty of natural light. I don't know if you can see out there, but it's just beautiful and it's green. And in this one, again, heaps and heaps and heaps of natural light. So go quickly check out this bathroom. It's a bit like a psychedelic Triton black and white theme, which is really lovely, quite striking. So have a little look in here. Toilet, did you see that? Just behind the door. So big open feel, it's spacious, it's bright, it's light, and you have complete garden views. So we're going to head out, have a quick look at the laundry in that back area, and then we're going to quickly check out the that second bathroom. So this space out here, again, I don't know if you can hear the cicadas, but it's just silent. It is just like you're in the, not in the jungle, but like you could be in the jungle. So just pop your little head in here. This is outside laundry. Of course, plenty of hanging up space. And again, you can see and get a sense of all the natural light. And I did mention about it having a little dog fence all the way around, so you can let your little poochies come in and out of the house if you want to. So this is where the balcony starts, and it runs all the way across the side of the house. But before we do that, we're going to just check out that other bathroom, and then we're going to head onto that beautiful balcony. Come on round and have a look at this beautifully bright, colourful bathroom. So we're outside, we've been in the garden all day, we're a little bit dirty, we don't want to walk through the house and put mud on the floor. So this is just a brilliant facility for being able to jump in the shower. Now, come in, this is just brilliant. We've got bright coloured tiles, and of course we've got a separate toilet as well. But there is actually a hotel in San Francisco called the Triton Hotel, and you pay a very pretty penny to stay, I should say, in a hotel that is just vibrant colours, just like this. But nice big corner shower, as I said, brilliant functionality. So we're going to head back round and we're going to have a look at that beautiful balcony. Isn't that absolutely fabulous? I just love those bright colours. Now, we're going to have a good look, as I said, about the balcony, but you probably had just a little bit of a sneak as we sort of come in and out, that there is a really big shipping container up there, which is just going to be a fabulous extra living space. But that's the exciting part yet to come. So let's come back through here, because I just wanted us to feel the fact that we've got a brilliant kitchen. We're sitting here relaxing, and if we're entertaining, or if it's a really hot day and you just want to get some breeze, all we have to do, check little doggy door, I did say about dog fencing again, all we're going to do is just come out, and we're here, and we are on this wonderful lifestyle deck. Now, you can see that we've got plenty of shade from the sun, we've got plenty of protection from the rain, and I mentioned at the beginning about a view. This is going to give you clearly extra shade, so you keep it if you want, or you could just snip some of those little trees or little bushes, and you would have the most beautiful view out to the hills and the rainforest. So potential is there. This is where we actually had a look at the side of the house where the laundry was. And the other little extra yummy bit is that if we wanted to have a barbecue, we've actually got a little bit of a built-in kitchen. So there's a nice reflective red bit here, love that. And how good is that? So you don't have to worry again about going in and out of the house to wash your tongs that have been cooking your sausages. So it's just got something for everyone, whether you're a first home buyer, whether you're downsizing, whether you've got a couple of young children. But that is a great play area. So we're just going to head up there and have a little bit of an explore. Look at these beautiful little fans. They're actually just starting to open up. So shipping containers. I don't know if you have Googled shipping containers or Wolf shipping containers, but you can make them into anything, and they are really, really, really popular at the moment. These two side bits open up and close. I'm not going to open the whole thing up, but it has got a little fly screen on there. But if you come around here, this could just be your new art studio. It could be a little granny flat. It does have power. So imagine paint, imagine new carpet, imagine a little bit of nice soft furnishing, or as I said, some sort of artist easel, or because you've also got some water that you can connect up easily, this could be your pottery shed. It is just like a fabulous space. And these, of course, open up, as I mentioned before. So those two doors open, so you're going to have lots and lots and lots of natural light. And again, it is private. Think of some pavers, some new stones there, a couple of little bit of a stone wall and some bromeliads. This is a really special spot, really special spot. And of course, it is unbelievably cool. So let's head back around this way. And if we have just a little bit of a look up here, you'll see that the land is sloping. It goes from the top, and of course we've got a bench here, and then we've got the bench here where we actually have the house pad, and then behind us we've got a double carport. But there's fruit trees up there. There's grapefruit and there's lemon and there's lime, and they all just seem to thrive and are unbelievably prolific. So let's just go down. We'll have another bit of a quick look at the garden, and then we'll do a wrap up. I really hope you've enjoyed this wonderful little baby tour, number 10 Williamson Drive in Kuranda. So hopefully you've actually gotten the sense of the phenomenal value for money that we mentioned at the beginning. So much so that if you are interstate and you just even wanted a holiday home, you could buy this, come up here for a month, come up here for 3 months, rent it out, or you could just enjoy living here with all the natural beauty. And if you just take 1 minute and imagine them snipped just a little bit so that you get the fabulous rainforest views. And of course you have proximity to everything. And as I said, absolutely dress circle. So downsizing, first homeowners, investors, holiday makers, it has got something for everyone. And of course that brilliant shipping container for art shed or extra living. So give me a call, Angela Martin, 0403 788 187, or visit the website. And again, don't forget to press that subscribe button so that you can get a heads up on more fabulous properties just like this one. Look forward to catching up.